Hello friend, welcome to my channel. Let's learn colors. Pink color, dark green color, dark blue color, grey color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, purple color, yellow color, black color, red color. Let's start video. Here I draw a yummy ice cream stick. Let's start coloring. It's a baby pink color. It's a yellow color. Orange color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Green color, dark pink color, brown color, lime color, baby pink color. So here we draw a yummy rainbow ice cream. Hope you guys like my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and give thumbs. See you in next video. Bye bye.